This electric fireplace stove can be appreciated flames through three-sided tempered glass. This stove heater can be used just as an ornamental fireplace without heating the room because of the separate flame switch. Detachable feet are easy to install and can increase stability. Air outlets are designed at the bottom to avoid machine overheating that could lead to injuries to children. Far infrared radiation heating method to use energy efficiently, and the heating rate is fast. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Portable use and visual enjoyment. Made of steel, lightweight, and easy to transfer. The material is durable and has a dust-proof coating on the surface. The surface is matte and the appearance is fashionable, with transparent glass on 3 sides. You can enjoy realistic flames from any angle. Number 2. Safe air outlet design and multi-scene use. The air outlet is designed at the bottom to effectively avoid the hazard of overheating and high temperatures. The size of the vent is small, effectively preventing children from reaching their fingers. Suitable for bedroom, bathroom and living room, kitchen, office, etc. to provide warmth. Number 3. 2 heating modes and independent flame effects. 1000 watts and 1500 watts 2 heating modes can meet your different needs. It can be heated quickly in 1 second. And it can be heated to a room of 400 square feet. You can also just enjoy the flame. And you can adjust the brightness of the flame. Number 4. Humanized design. The door handle adopts a spiral shape. Exquisite and lovely, and comfortable to hold, the magnetic door makes the tempered glass more effective closed tightly. The detachable feet increase the stability. There are no extra steps during installation, just tighten the screws can. Number 5. Infrared heating method. Compared with the heating method of the traditional heater, the stove heater radiates infrared rays to the outside and is not affected by wind and airflow, and evenly heats the surrounding area, leads to faster heating and more efficient energy utilization, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.